problem. You start. I'm also.
Okay, so I have some phrases of words that I want to describe you because these are regularly useful words. So let me explain one by one. Okay, if you want somebody, यदि हम यदि हम किसी को कहना चाहते हैं ये किसी काम का नहीं है, the person is which is not is good for anything, so we can say that good for nothing. He is good for
Yes.
nothing. ये किसी काम का नहीं
Yes.
है. Okay.
Yes.
You can't do any work because you good for nothing.
Okay.
You good for nothing. Okay. And when we talk about the things that we need this thing. Okay, I need this thing. So we usually say I need this thing. But whenever we emphasize that thing, we emphasize
Yes.
that thing. यही तो मुझे चाहिए था. यही तो.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is what. That is what.
That
That
that is
is
what.
what I needed. यही तो
That
मुझे
is what
चाहिए
I
था.
needed.
हाँ.
Okay.
So we usually say this is I need this. I need this.
Yes.
ये मुझे चाहिए. But अगर हम emphasize कर रहे हैं यही तो मुझे चाहिए. That is what I need. That is what I need. Okay.
Yes. That is what I
If
need.
we talk about the plural, so we can say these are what I need. These are what I need. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And if we talk about the place, if we want to go somewhere, so we say I want to go there. I want to go
Yes.
there. But if you want to यहीं तो मुझे जाना था, यहीं तो, we emphasize that word, so we can say this is where I want to go. This is where I want to go. वहीं तो मुझे जाना था, यहीं तो
Okay.
मुझे आना था. Okay,
Okay.
this is means this is the place only that I want to visit. यहीं तो मुझे जाना था. This
Yes.
is where I want to visit. Okay.
Okay. This is where I want to visit.
Yeah, this is. We
This
have to
is.
emphasize by this word. This is. This is
Okay.
where I want to go. That is what I want to need. I want to take that type. Okay. And we many a time we say that I could not stop my laughing. So we say मेरी हंसी छूट गई. There is
Yes.
some situation that we should not laugh at that time. There is a situation we should not laugh at that time, so we can't control our laughing and we laugh. So that time we can say I couldn't stop my laughing. यानी मेरी हंसी छूट गई. मेरी हंसी
Okay.
छूट गई. I couldn't
Okay.
stop my laughing. By
Okay.
hearing the joke of Kapil Sharma, I couldn't stop my laughing. Yeah,
Okay. I couldn't
Kapil
stop my
Sharma.
laughing.
या कपिल
Okay.
शर्मा का शो देखकर मेरी हंसी छूट गई.
Okay.
ओके.
That's
ओके. The next word is we say that it is a regular thing. It happens every day in our life. So we say that ये तो रोज की बात है. ये तो इनका रोज का काम है. ये तो इनका रोज की बात है. So we can say it's everyday occurrence. It's
okay.
everyday occurrence.
Occurrence.
Yeah.
The word is occur.
Occur.
Uh,
Yeah, occurrence.
yes, the occur. Okay. Every day.
Okay. So we can say that he's very lazy. He don't go somewhere. He only lie down on the bed. So you can
Yes.
say it's everyday occurrence. ये तो रोज की बात है.
Okay. It's a everyday occurrence.
Occurrence. Yeah,
Okay.
occurrence. If we want to ask somebody that which type of person you are, so which nature, by which nature you belong, and which kind of personality you are, so we can say that what short what short person you are, what short person you are.
Okay.
Okay. तुम किस तरह के आदमी हो. We can say in both manner, positive manner. किस तरह के आदमी हो. What short person you are. Okay.
Yes.
And uh, and negative manner also. What short person you are? What short person you are?
Okay. And if we are asking that in which sort of work you are doing, किस तरह का काम करते हो? In which
Yeah,
sort you are working,
yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
yeah. It's also correct. Yeah, but when we are expressing up our emotions that we are getting fed up with someone,
Yes,
okay, we
yes.
got fed up with someone. So, किस तरह के व्यक्ति हो आप? किस तरह के इंसान हो आप? So, what
Okay.
sort of person you are? So we
Okay.
are expressing our suppression, we are
A-
up,
Anger.
anger. Yeah.
Anger. Yes.
So these are some words I have discussed with you. So I
Really,
think it's enough for today.
useful.
Yeah.
Yes. Today
Yeah.
I will
We were,
note down all this word in my
yeah.
notebook.
We knew this word, but we are not able to speak in our day-to-day conversation. We always deny to use them in our daily uses sentences.
Yes,
So
yes,
we
of
should,
course.
yeah, whenever
Yes.
we go to use them, so we can impress our, we can make our spoken English impressive, more impressive.
Yes, yes, of course, yes. Yes. So thank you so much for uh, get I get to know about all these words, and that's really wonderful. And I'm
Mm,
sure write down in my notebook. So thank you so much
mm.
for this.
Yeah, it's all right for me because I'm also explaining to memorize these words. That is why I'm explaining to you
So
so that I can memorize and recall in my mind.
yes, yes, of course.